we will see how to find LCM with long division method. Okay, for finding long division method LCM, first of all, both the given numbers we will write in one column itself. Okay, and we will solve both of them separately with any one table. Okay, if you will see, this 16 is divisible with 2 and 28 is also divisible with 2. So we will write here 2, then 8 times 16. Okay, now in the table of 2 we will see 28 will come how many times? 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 14 times. Now 8 and 14 both we will see again separately. So in the table of 2, 4s are 8 and 7s are 14. Okay, now another numbers are 4 and 7. We have to see in the table. First of all, we'll write here 2. In the table of 2 we will find 4 2 times, but in the table of 2 can we find 7? No, 7 will not be divisible with 2. So whenever we have such number which is not divisible, that time we will write that number as it is. Okay, then again we'll write here 2. In the table of 2, this 2 will come how many times? 1 times, and 7 again will not come now. Yes. So this 1 we have got in place of 16, we have got all the factors. Now we want for this last one, 7 is the prime number and it is divisible in its own table, right? So this 1 already we have got, and 7 ones are 7. Here we have completed our long division LCM. Only these prime factors which we have to multiply to find the LCM. Okay, these are your prime factors and then we'll find the LCM. How to find? Pay attention. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and then that 16 we have to multiply with 7. 112. Clear? Like this we find the LCM using long division method. Okay, after this we will solve 2C. Pay attention carefully towards the question. We have 52 and 128. So I'll write here 52, 128. Both of them we have to solve in one column. Okay, so 52 separately and 128 separately. First of all, in the table of 2 itself, 52 will come how many times? 2 2s are 4, 1 will remain here, that will shift to this, 2 6 are 12. Again 128, 8 is the even number, so definitely it will come in the table of 2. So 2 6 are 12, 4s are 8. Now again 2, 1s are 2, 3s are 6. Now 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. In the table of 2, will this 13 come? No, na? So we will write here 2 and this 13 we will write as it is. Okay, then we have this 32 1 times and 6 times. Clear? Again we will write here 2 and this 13 will not be divisible, so again it will be written as it is, and then 8. Then 2, 13 again will not be divisible, 4s are 8. Then again 2, 13 will not be divisible, 2 2s are 4. Are you getting my point or not? Whenever the numbers are prime, they won't be divisible in the table of 2, keep in mind. So 2, then 13 again, 1s are 2. In the place of 1, we have completed. Now only this 13 we have to solve now. So it is a prime number, so it will come in its own table, and downside also 1, here also 1. We have got both the places 1, and when we get the 1, rest all the prime numbers we have to multiply to find the LCM. How? You see, 2 into, count the number of 2's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 we have. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7 into 13. Okay, now we will multiply all the numbers to find the answer. How to multiply? See, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. 32 into 2 you can do in rough. Okay, like this. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 2s are 32. 32 2s are 64. Now here we get 64. Now 64 into 2 we will do again. 64 into 4s are 8. 2 6 are 12. We have 128. And now this 128 multiply with 13. How to multiply? You can see 128 into 13. 3 8s are 24. 8 2 1. So 4 and 8 8 16. Then 1 3 4 6 and 1. 1664 will be your LCM. 1664 is your answer. This is how we find LCM for long division method. Solving both the numbers together and then finding the prime factors. Then we write the number and get the answer.